Most significant update today concerns Jamaica's offshore oil and gas exploration efforts. The surface geochemical survey conducted by United Oil and Gas was successfully completed on February 28, 2026. As a research vessel returned to Kingston Harbor, the survey lasted 34 days, operating on 24-hour shifts with no reported safety incidents, no environmental accidents, and no conflicts with fisherfolk. During the mission, 1,189 line kilometers of multi-beam echo sounder data was collected to map the seafloor. Heat flow probe data was gathered to analyze temperature gradients. Most importantly, piston cores were taken from 42 locations across the Walton and Morant basins for direct testings of oil and gas presence. These cores have now been offloaded and are en route to a lab in the United States for detailed analysis. Results are expected within 2 to 3 months.